What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Vizzy. Welcome back to the channel. This is the channel where tech is not everything, it's the only way. And yes, I know I'm late, but guess what? We got the Nintendo Switch 2 in, baby. Before I start this unboxing, I really want to shout out to Walmart. I pre-ordered this system from Walmart. I just woke up and opened the door. It was there. It was delivered 6:30 a.m. Yeah. Not only that, they put some goodies in the bag for me as well. They give you a Pringles, they give me a Coke, and I just want to say toast to Walmart. Very excited for the Nintendo Switch 2. As you can see here, I have my OLED. Big fan of it. I had the first Switch, gave it to my nephew. I don't want to ramble on too much. I do got my 256 right here. Few things that I'm really excited about when it comes to the Nintendo Switch. The whole overall of Nintendo Switch. You know, when Zelda just came... Moment of silence. Significant. Look at that baby blue out here. Look at this. But you look at that. It's like big brother, little brother. So we won't put the blue here. Let's go for that red. I love red. Oh, the red isn't just red. It has like a little orange. Look at that. SLSR. I like that. Yo, this feels more, let me see. Those controller feels more comfortable than this. Look how tiny that is. So small, it's so bigger. All right, Super Mario. This is what the Switch card reduced to now. Look at that. Let's get that big boy out. Look at the size of this thing. Whew. Look at that, the grip. There we go. I don't really use this. It feels weird. Only thing I just wish it had a Type-C that could charge this. Would have been dope. Shout out to Walmart. The brick right there, couple wires, just a Type-C, HDMI right here. Got these two grips. Make sure you line up the negatives, positives, all that stuff. That little thing right there that plucks out the magnet like that. Oh, this is the big boy dock. Big boy dock right here. Type A, come on, man. You could give us Type-C, bro. Well, okay, Type A, fine, Type A. I do use a charger right here for my old Switch Joy-Cons. So yeah, look at that. It's beefy, bro. Let's get in there. We don't want to buy no puss in the bag. There we go. AC right there. HDMI in the LAN. Hold up. Listen to that. Listen to the beats. There's a lot of room space in there. Look at that. Look how stealthy that look. Get you on that Y24. Look at that. It's a Joy-Con charger. You know what I'm saying? Like going once. I got this off AliExpress. There you go. The dock sits like that. Got your Nintendo Switch. This is a 15.6 4K monitor. On base you get 1080p, but since the Switch has 4K, this thing is. I just usually set it up on my desk here and power this thing on. Listen to that. I'm just gonna do the transfer right off the rip. Few things that I think I really appreciate with the newer Nintendo Switch. Might be the smallest, but one of the most important to me, the wall plug. The wall plug is not connected to the Type-C wire no more. It actually has a Type-C port on the plug. I can bring the Nintendo cable with me. What I find myself falling in love with has to do with the magnetic Joy-Cons. So I do miss the sound of the OLED Joy-Cons. You know, let me show you. Listen to how iconic this thing sound. Yo, wait, one more time. Hear that versus the sound of the new one. Listen to that. The hell is that? Listen. Oh my god. That's the way how the new magnetic Joy-Con operates. And it's really strong. It's on there. Like, you can't just pull it apart. It's on there. So I really appreciate that. And I do love that matte black. That black looks great on that. Nintendo really put it down with the speakers out of this. It's so crisp. What I find myself actually using, which I never used before, is the tabletop mode with the stand. I actually appreciate this stand on the newer Nintendo Switch, even though it might not be as full as the other one. As you can see with this Switch right here, the stand on the OLED one, they're both metal. Don't get me wrong, they're both metal. I do like it. Yeah, I do find myself liking how this stand up better. It's like big brother, little brother, man. Look at this thing. Another thing, what I was appreciating is the 4K output. It is so crispy. This is a 15.6 monitor that I've been using to play my Nintendo Switch OLED. I was only getting 1080p out of it because, you know, the older Nintendo Switch outputs 1080. but then handhelds it's 720. With the newer Switch, you can output 4K. Let me put it like this. So this monitor, it's called Whole Lucky Display. Nintendo make the setup and transfer a lot easier. It only take me 3 minutes, but I know I'm making this video way after, but it only take me 3 minutes. Maybe because my library is not that vast. As you can see, I just have like these. When I do get the 1 TB card, I will definitely be more digital, build my little library of both indie, whatever. Another thing that I really like is the new bumper. It's easy to go on. It feels a lot better than the older Joy-Con. Tabletop mode, move around, and it's very accurate, man. I use it when I'm in a Nintendo shop if I'm bored. I just wanted to see what it really can do. I thought the OLED was fire, but the new one here is insane. And one of the main reasons I think I bought this system was the Mario Kart world, because I'm a big fan of Mario and I'm a Nintendo guy. Being a Nintendo fans, and this is what we say in the Caribbean, for you, yai die in need. That means from you a legit. Something about Nintendo that I really like, just the way how they do things. Who would have thought you could use a Joy-Con as a mouse? Like the gimmicky stuff, they own it and it makes it cool. And I do keep my old Pro controller, man, because I don't think I need, no. About to break this thing. I order a screen protector for this right here, so it probably comes sometime tomorrow. I'll put that on. I will definitely be working on a full review of it. I'll be playing it more extensively. There's few titles that I really gotta finish playing. Zelda Breath of the Wild, I have to finish that. I have everything, all my Guardians fired at Beam to Ganon, and I don't know why I am procrastinating killing Ganon. It's crazy. I just walk around collecting Korok seeds or whatever that seed is called, currently trying to get the Holy Sword. So another thing that before I wrap up everything here, what I do like is the fact that even though I switch over to the new Switch, my profile is still here, still open. I am definitely going to be working on a full review of this because it's one of my favorite systems. You know, I gave up on PlayStation. You know what? PlayStation gave up on us with the Vita. Nintendo stepped in. I'm not a Steam Deck fan. Like, you know, I prefer this. It's more simplistic. PC game, I'm not into that. People of the internet, I'll definitely get you in the next video. We gone.